That's my type.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna Lee, and today's video is going to be on how I apply my gel tip extensions. If you are interested, please keep on watching. Last video, I did a review on the Kiara Sky gel tip extension system, and I absolutely love that brand. But unfortunately, they are sold out right now due to the whole COVID-19 situation, and none of us are able to go get our nails done at the salon, so choosing the gel extension system to do at home is a great option, and that's why they are completely sold out. So today I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using actually the eNail Couture 123 Go Soft Nail Extensions in the style Ballerina. This is a brand, a different brand that is actually located here in Tucson, which is pretty cool. We do have a starter kit just like the Kiara Sky. It comes with a whole bunch of stuff, which is pretty cool. I just purchased the tips because I already have the builder gel and the prep and prime, so I did not feel the need to purchase a whole new system. So I am quite excited to use these. I have already picked out and sized my nails. I also etched the inside of them. I've prepped my nails. I pushed back the cuticles so they are ready to go. Alright, once you have pushed back your cuticles and you buffed your natural nail bed, let's go ahead and grab step 1, which is your prep, and we're going to apply this to all of our nails. After you are finished with the prep, now we are going to go ahead and go in with your primer. Alright, so now that I have finished with the prep and the prime, I'm going to go ahead and apply a thin layer of builder gel on all of my nails. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and cure this for about 30 seconds. Alright, so I went ahead and applied a thin layer of builder gel on all of my nails, and I cured them for about 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and grab my tip now, and I'm going to apply some builder gel on the inside of the tip. Alright, so that's what your nail should look like. So you're going to want to get your little light, and I recommend turning it on beforehand. So you are going to apply
Alrighty, y'all. There was a glitch in the system, and I completely lost track of what I was saying. What I wanted to say was apply pressure on your tip starting at the cuticle all the way down to the free edge of the nail, and securely place it under your lamp so it can cure for 30 seconds. Make sure that you cure all sides of the nail. Once your nail has completely cured, it will be locked and loaded and will not move. It will feel very sturdy, and here I am just showing you what the nail looks like. And then I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hand and be right back. Alright, you guys, there you have it. That's what the nails look like after I have applied them. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other hand. I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I have finished both hands. I might say that I love the way they came out. I think I did a pretty good job. This is the third time I do it. I don't have any visible bubbles except for on this pinky, but you can barely even see the bubble that I have, so no biggie. I am going to shape these up a little bit with my nail file and then buff over the shine. I will be right back. Alright, once you are done buffing your nails, they are ready for polish. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave it in the comments below. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Also, please subscribe. I would much appreciate it if you did that so you can join the family. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching again. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type.